Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be reviewing a nail gel kit from Amazon. But before we jump into the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. That way it can get out there in the YouTube world. And also make sure to subscribe so you guys can see my future videos for 2019. Okay guys, so the kit that I bought from Amazon is from Model Ones, and this is the Leafu, I guess you would pronounce it. And this kit includes everything you'll need to do your nails. So let's open it up. This retails for $59.99 on Amazon. So with this kit, it comes with 6 gel nail polishes, and I've used so far 2 of the colors and they look really great. So today we'll use another color. And here are the polishes that come in. And when you look at these, so this is what they look like. There's no name of like color or anything. It just has this open dot so you can see the actual color. But inside the kit, it gives you like little stickers so you can paint the nail polish on the sticker and then place it on the actual bottle. But I think I tossed it, so I'm sorry. Also in the kit, it comes with like really easy instructions to follow. Also inside the kit, it comes with your UV light. This is a smart lamp, nail lamp, and it's a 2.0. It's a 12 LED UV lamp, and it's so simple to use. I love it. It comes with the plug you would insert into the machine. You would just have to find your own adapter, like whatever you charge your phone with or whatever, and just plug it into the wall. It comes with 3 settings, 60, 80, and 90. So here's the lamp. I have it plugged in. And anytime you just like put your hand in there, it does the automatic 99-second. It's automatic sensor, which is it's really nice and convenient. Also in the kit, it comes with this pouch, and in this pouch is everything you need. It has your cuticle oil for pushing back your cuticles, a nail bed file, 2 of them. It has the alcohol, so that way when you're done dusting and everything, you can wipe your nail clean. Cuticle cutters. This side is to push back your cuticles, and this side is to scrape off the cuticle or the gel when you're removing. It has the cuticle oil for when you're done doing your nails. It has the little spreaders, I don't know, the little protectors to keep your fingers spread. I don't ever use this, especially for my hands. You get 2 packs of the gel remove, and then just a little duster for when you're filing, basic clippers, and then the best part is it comes with a shiny coat, a matte coat, and then like the base. So you get everything you need to do your nails in this kit, which I love. The first step is to wash your hands, and my hands are nicely washed, and then the second step is to clip your nails if you need to. The third step is to apply this cuticle oil, and it's just to soften your cuticles so you can push them back. It should look like something like this. It says to apply it evenly, so then you want to take your cuticle pusher backer tool. I'm sure this has the proper name. And then what you want to do is just start pushing your cuticle all the way back. Okay, now that that is done, what I'm going to do is take my cuticle cutters and just cut any cuticles that were pushed back. Now taking the double-sided file your nails how you like them to be. With this thumbnail, I'm just going to buffer off the old polish. Just a slight thin layer. Nothing that's going to thin out my nail too thin. Next, you just want to dust off any of the filing and dust. You want to take your one-time alcohol pad and wipe away any of the dust and clean them off. And just make sure that your nails are just oil-free. The next step is to use the little separators, but now we're going to be moving on to the gel application. Go ahead and use your base coat. Apply a thin layer, and then you want to seal the nail edges. After you apply your base coat, hit the 60-second button and let them cure for 60 seconds. I'm going to be using this color here today. The next step is to apply a thin layer of whatever color you choose and seal off the edge. And then you want to cure the nail polish for 60 seconds as well. Okay, go ahead and cure for another 60 seconds. And then we will do the top coat and set that for 80 seconds. Then what we would do is wait another minute and then apply your cuticle oil after that. Because if you don't, then it'll be matte. It'll mess up everything. And now you want to apply a thin layer of your top coat of your choice, either the shiny or the matte. I like mine to be shiny. Once you apply your top coat, you want to do 80 seconds to cure everything. Okay guys, this is the final product. Gorgeous, right? I mean, pshing, beautiful. So my final thoughts is I love this kit. I really do. The cost $59.99. I've used this 3 times already. They last 2 weeks. And I mean, if you think about it, using it 3 times already has paid for the product because I'm not going to the shop to get them done constantly. So I'm saving, you know, with the tip and all that. And I can do it at home by myself, and these are gorgeous. So just a few tips. Please follow the directions carefully. When it says apply a thin layer because each layer as it cures is going to build up and build some bulk on your nails. So just make sure to follow the directions very carefully. And also, I just want to say I am not an expert in nails. I'm not certified, licensed to do nails. So this is just my own personal experience. Oh, and also, like, I've even, like, did my nails really quick and, like, hopped in the shower and, like, nothing happened to them. They were, like, still perfect. So, like, I highly recommend this to you guys for sure. If you're all about, like, investing in things and, like, in saving money in the long run, this is the way to go for sure. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video, but please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Once again, thank you, and I will see you in the next one.